Welcome to my channel. Today we are making some macaroni salad with a Filipino style twist. So mga kabayan, ito po ang aking mga main ingredients for our macaroni salad with Filipino twist recipe. We're gonna start on here, raisins, half a cup of relish. You can either use non-sweet or sweet relish, whatever your preference is. And then boiled eggs. So what I did on here is I chopped them in little cubes. And also crushed pineapple, half a cup of diced bell peppers, pre-boiled macaroni shells, and then lastly, these are diced turkey. I use turkey as a substitute instead of what do you call that? Instead of the chicken. And then here I used Velveeta cheese cube once. So, and then we're gonna use these are Kalamata olives, so I did chop them into small pieces like cubes. So, abangan nyo po yung outcome ng aking recipe. Just watch the next video for this recipe, guys. Thank you.